From factory to customer, the modern supply chain runs on one thing: technology-driven innovation.
Without it, businesses face blind spots, rising costs, and slower response times that weaken competitiveness.
But with the right tools, companies boost visibility, cut inefficiencies, and deliver faster, smarter, and cheaper.
Technologies like AI for demand forecasting, IoT for real-time tracking, blockchain for transparency, and automation in warehouses all optimize performance. For example, using IoT sensors, a logistics firm can monitor shipments live, preventing delays and reducing losses.
Technology isn't just supporting the supply chain, it's transforming it into a connected, agile, and competitive advantage.